In the name of Allah, who is the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine. On the behalf of Garrison Academy Senior Campus, I welcome you all in our online sport program by AppSex. My name is Muhammad Arslan Shafiq and I am your new teacher of computer sciences in first year class. Remember one thing, that the expert in anything was once a beginner. So we have to work hard to achieve our goal. If there is any problem, then feel free to ask from your teachers. We are always here to help you. And in this video, we will discuss, uh, we know the contents of our syllabus. We understand the paper pattern and the marking of distribution of the paper, that how our paper is distributed according to our syllabus. So student, this is our book of computer sciences of grade 11 that we read and learn in this class. And the contents of the book are: chapter number 1, overview of computer system. In this chapter we will briefly discuss our computer system, that what is our computer system. Chapter number 2 is computer memory. This chapter we will discuss about memory, that what is hard drive, what is RAM, what is USB memory, or what is volatile memory. In chapter number 3 we will discuss central processing unit, that we say that the mind of the computer is central processing unit. We will discuss all about central processing unit, that how a processor work in computer science. Chapter number 4 is system unit. Basically in chapter number 4 we will discuss system unit, that how it is different from CPU. In chapter number 5 we will discuss network communication and protocols, that how data is traveled from one system to another system through networking. In chapter number 6 we will discuss wireless communication, like Wi-Fi modem. Uh, in chapter number 7 we will discuss database fundamentals, that what is our database. In chapter number 8 we will discuss database development, that how we can create a database to save the data. Paper pattern and marks distribution are follows. Total marks of our paper is 75, which contains section A, which is MCQs of 15 marks. Each MCQs have 1 mark, and all these MCQs are from all the book. Section B, in section B we have to write 6 short questions out of 9 short questions. Each short question have 3 marks, and from first 4 chapter, our book contains total 8 chapters. From first 4 chapters is section for section B. First 4 chapters are for section B, which is for 18 marks. And section C is also of short questions. We have to attempt 6 questions out of 9 short questions, and it also have 18 marks. And the section EC is from last 4 chapter of our book. So last section is section D, where we have 3 long questions. We have to attempt 3 long questions out of 4 long questions, that are for 24 marks. Each long question is for 8 marks. Remember one thing, that long questions can have parts. There may be 2 parts or 3 parts in a long question. So thank you very much. In the next week we inshallah start our book. Allah Hafiz.